Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. My husband Manny and I just got back from a little getaway to St. George, Utah. We spent a couple of nights there seeing some of the local sites, but I also went to Joann's Fabric and Crafts and also a couple of other stores. So let me show you what I got. I use a lot of piping on a lot of my projects, and I was really getting low. So while I was at Joann's, I stocked up on I think just about every color they have. They don't have a huge variety of colors. I wish they had more, but I picked up all the basics: green, yellow, blue, red, purple, and different shades of pink. This is elastic. It's 3 inches wide, and there's 2 yards of it here. I like using this, let's say, when you're trying to make some little stretchy pants to lounge around in. You have a little bit of a gathered waist and put this in the casing. It also looks really good on skirts if you want a really wide band. It's a little more slimming. And I also use this on circle skirts. This fabric here is from Joann's also, and it's Quilter's Choice fabric, and it's their inexpensive line of quilting fabric. And I always look at this because every season they come out with new prints. So I only bought half-yard pieces of these because I know I'm just going to use them on some smaller projects. I use a lot of white fabric that I put in quilts and other projects where I want a white background. This is also Quilter's Choice, and I bought about 2 yards because I use it a lot. I love check fabric. It looks like it's black, but it might be a deep navy. It was kind of hard for me to tell. This is a darker blue with little daisies on it. This was really cute. Now these 2 pieces are part of the keepsake quilting line of fabric, so it's a little bit more money. Always look for sales and always use coupons. You can use the Joann coupon app and put it right on your phone. And here's 2 more of the keepsake quilting. This is a lighter bluish check, and then I use my green all the time, and I was getting very low on it, so I bought a couple of yards of this one and a yard of this one. This is also part of their keepsake quilting line of fabric. And I bought a yard of this. I just thought it was very pretty. I might make some type of a summer table runner out of this. And speaking of summer, our Memorial holiday and 4th of July holiday are coming up, and they had this in their home decor fabric. And I bought just a half a yard of this because I'm going to be making a table runner out of it. This was also from Joann's, and it was in their apparel fabric section. And it's a jersey knit. This one here is just a 2-way stretch. So there it stretches that way, but it does not stretch this way. So if you're going to make clothing out of a piece of fabric like this, make sure the direction you want the fabric to stretch in around your body, like around this way, is the stretchy side. So be really careful how you lay your pattern out. This is also apparel fabric, and it is a 4-way. It goes this way and this way. So it doesn't matter. You can lay it in either grain direction that you like. I was getting dangerously low on my Pellon fusible web because, as you know, I've been doing a Quilt As You Go series using flower appliques, and this is the fusible web that I'm doing. So I picked up 3. I found this book in Joann's in the clearance section, so it was just a little over $7 for the books. If you go in the book section and you look at just the regular prices, whew, it's really high. So this was a bargain, and I've not seen a book quite like this. And it shows you all kinds of home decor projects that you can do using different size grommets. I also went to Michael's Crafts, and they are carrying fabric in their store now, and they have for about a year, and it's really filling in nice. There's been some really nice selections. The prices on their fabric are kind of in alignment with Walmart. They're about that same price line, and it's good, decent fabric. So this was a deep navy plaid. I have a bedroom, a little guest bedroom for friends and family to come and stay. And it's got a lot of blue in the room, this color. So I was thinking about making a little pillow for the bed. This is just striped fabric. This was, I believe, this was home decor. And this was also, I think, in the home decor area. So they have a little section of home decor. I'm going to use this for making a beach tote bag. These are little plastic containers with a screw-on lid, and they were 99 cents. They were up near the checkout section, and I bought a whole bunch of them because I do have something in mind for these. So I'll do a tutorial on these and show you what I did with them. Now, you can also find containers at other stores, but this is where I got mine. I hadn't been in Kohl's for quite a while, and I was anxious to go in there because I needed a pair of shorts. And by the way, I did find the shorts. I'm not going to show them to you, but I found some shorts. But I also went in the area where they sell towels. And for the last 2 years, I guess because of COVID, haven't seen a lot of novelty towels. So I was so excited when I saw these. Now they sell 2 in a pack. This one has cats, and it's a darker blue, and then here's cats again with a white background. And on this one you have the red checks, and then on the other one has stars on a check fabric. We have some really close friends, Bob and Connie, who live in St. George. So whenever we go there, we always try to visit them a little bit. We usually meet for breakfast. When I met them for breakfast, she brought this fabric to me. She doesn't sew. A neighbor of hers was moving and didn't have room in her new house for all of her sewing supplies. So Connie bought this piece of fabric for me, and it's a 1.5 by 1.5 yard of fabric, and it's got little roosters on it. So I was so excited when I saw this. I think I'll demonstrate how to make a round tablecloth out of this. I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul and that you enjoyed shopping right along with me. Many of you really enjoy these, so whenever I can, I do try to show you what I buy. Some of you might be thinking, boy, this lady buys a lot of fabric. Well, when you produce 3 tutorials every week, 52 weeks out of the year, you go through a lot of fabric and supplies. So that's why I buy so much. Now, if you're interested in some beginner sewing projects or my new Quilt As You Go sewing series, check below your YouTube screen for those video links. You scroll down to the description section, click on Show More or the down arrow, and it will expand open and you'll begin to see the links scrolling by. Now make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.